What's up, guys? Today we are diving into the exciting world of foldable smartphones with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. In this, the future of smartphones? Well, stick around and hit that subscribe button and let's find out. Let's start by talking about the design and display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 represents a fusion of cutting edges, technology, and sleek aesthetics. Its ultra-thin profile when folded is a marvel of engineering, making it one of the most pocketable foldable phones on the market. The hinge mechanism, now boosted by the Samsung adjustments in the durability, ensures that the device maintains its elegance even with the countless folds. When you unfold this beauty, you're greeted by the stunning 7.2-inch dynamic AMOLED UX display that's not only the large but incredibly vibrant. With a Quad HD Plus resolution, this screen offers cinematic visuals with exceptional color accuracy. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures every interaction is pretty smooth. From scrolling through long web pages to playing graphically intensive games, the ultra-thin glass UTG technology enhances the durability of the foldable display, making it not just beautiful but also robust enough for everyday use. Screen's ability to fold has created a new dimension of the user experience and multitasking possibilities. Now let's talk about the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The device boasts a dual camera setup on the back. The main 12-megapixel camera equipped with the optical image stabilization (OIS) ensures sharp photos even in the challenging conditions. Secondary 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera opens up creative possibilities, allowing you to capture sweeping vistas and equipped perspectives. Samsung has taken a low-light photography up a notch with improved night mode algorithms. The versatility of all foldable devices introduces exciting angles for your photography, whether it's capturing candid moments or experimenting with unconventional compositions. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 packs some serious power. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor or Samsung Exynos chip depending on your region, which not only ensures top-notch performance but also efficient power management. With the ample RAM and the storage configurations, the Z Flip 5 offers seamless multitasking experience, allowing you to effortlessly switch between apps and tasks. The inclusion of the 5G connectivity means you are future-proof for the array of lightning-fast data speeds, whether you are streaming high-quality content, engaging in a video call, or downloading large files. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 as you covered. Let's dive deeper into the foldable experience, which is the heart of this device. The hinge technology in the Z Flip 5 has undergone glorious refinement to make it more durable and smoother in action. This hinge allows you to use the device at various angles, enhancing versatility, whether it's watching videos hands-free or taking steady photos without a tripod. The foldable device opens up new possibilities for how you interact with your device. Samsung Flex Mode optimizes app to make the most of the foldable form factor. You can use it for video calls, with one half showing your call and other displaying your call controls or chat apps. It's also perfect for video streaming, as you can set it on a surface for a hands-free viewing experience. What about battery life and charging on the Z Flip 5? Despite its compact size, Samsung has managed to incorporate a generous battery that should easily last you throughout the day. Intelligent battery management ensures efficient power usage, maximizing the time you can spend using your device. When it's time to recharge, the Z Flip 5 supports both wired and wireless charging. The convenience of wireless charging means you can simply place your device on a charging pad, eliminating the need for cables. Additionally, wireless power share lets you use your Z Flip 5 to charge other devices, making it a versatile tool in your tech arsenal. Samsung foldable phones typically occupy a premium segment, reflecting the advanced technology packed into them. The exact pricing may vary depending on your region and the storage configuration on choose, but you are investing in a unique and innovative device. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 with its refined design, stunning display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and innovative foldable experience. It's truly a smartphone that pushes the boundaries for what's possible. Whether you are integrated by foldable technology or simply look for a smartphone that stands out, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is worth considering. That's wrap up today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please share your thoughts and questions in the comment section down below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.